So today's video will be on the stacked leggings slash stacked jeans. I chose to do two pair because I didn't know how the first pair was gonna turn out, and plus the first pair was kind of like two different grays, you know, due to the pandemic. Rainbow's not open, and that's where I would go. I hope y'all enjoy watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all want to see more videos like this, let me know. So you want to start off with two pair of leggings. Try to match them to the same color as close as possible. Mine's really didn't match. This really was just like a tutorial, quick try to DIY. You know, it wasn't really nothing perfect. Trying to do something perfect or nothing like that. But you want to cut these right where you want to cut them. You can cut them across or you cut them in the slant. If you cut them in the slant, it would give you more of like a design. I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to say, but you'll see once they done. But you can cut them any way. You just match them up with them, and once you're done, you got your little cute pair of biker shorts or whatever you want to call them. And yeah, I'm gonna be using earrings as pins to hold down the pants in place. Now you want to match them up, and you want to turn them inside out and then go in from the bottom, match up the seam and pull them down and straighten them out. Mind y'all, these leggings are from Rainbows. They were only probably like $6. I had both of these pairs of leggings for years, so they really are like worn out. I was just trying to like see if I could do it. So I'll be using hair, needle, and thread, you know, that you use for sewing. I am not a sewer or whatever you want to call it. So I'm just using household items, stuff that I have at home already. And yeah, they do the job. But I went to Walmart today and I got some new stuff, some different stuff. So you want to sew under because you don't want to sew at, because you're going to be cutting. So it won't make sense to be sewing anywhere under because you're going to be cutting it off.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to
When you sew, make sure you go in and out, not in and over. Because I did that a couple times and I had to stop my thread and start all the way over because I couldn't push it back out. So be careful when you do that. Don't just be going fast. And I also will be using nail glue to keep the seams, I believe it's called seams or inseam, in place because I don't want no thread unraveling.
it's the way life
And when y'all do this, please make sure that y'all scratch this out. Okay, do not have it all scrunched up, because if you have it scrunched up, when you put your feet through, your feet not gonna be able to go through. You gotta make sure it's wide enough for your ankles to go through.
think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one. Yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close.
So y'all see how it looks all bulky? I didn't like the way that looked, and that's what I meant by don't sew too tight, and also don't sew on the band, because you're going to be cutting the band that's in the inside also.
Breathe slow, baby. Yeah. We should breathe slow. 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 If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that
I had decided to take my thread out and re-thread it. It's nothing spectacular. Like, I'm not a cold sewer. I just sew how I think it should look. I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna learn how to use a sewing machine soon though, so don't worry. I got one. I just don't really know how to operate it yet.
memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby.
So this is the finished look. You know, it looks way better. I'm showing y'all how it looks with different types of shoes. Don't mind the shoestrings. I have not worn these shoes yet. I had them for a while. I just don't wear tennis shoes as much as I used to. So I have a lot of shoes that I don't wear. But anyways, the way you see what I mean by the grays are two different colors. But it's okay because the band that's on top of my pants are the same gray. Like, you see what I mean by the same gray? It makes it look a little better because of the grays at the top and at the bottom match, and then the middle is a different gray. But yeah, this is pretty much it. Pretty easy, do it yourself. You can go get you some new leggings, brand new ones, you know, if you would like. If you want to use ones you already got at home, your choice. Is up to you. It's your body, your pants, your mind, your idea, your fucking creation. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next one.